Hi guys, it's Dream, and today I'm going to show you how to create a quick cube transition on Funimate. So, I already added my picture, and we're gonna go to keyframe, add effect, and you're gonna search for cube. So now that I added the cube effect, I'm going to scroll down in the options and select 3D light and activate it. Now, 3D light will help your edits a lot because it makes them look much more professional and it just adds to the effect. Now, I'm gonna set the radius to max, ambient intensity to about 16, and I'm gonna set the diffuse intensity of the light to maximum. Now that we've created this really cool effect, we're gonna go back here where the rotations are, and I'm going to set the rotation X to about -12. Now we're gonna go to the rotation Y, for example, add a keyframe in the beginning, one around the middle, and we're gonna change that rotation Y to whatever direction. It doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna do this. And between these two keyframes, we're gonna add a graph, a custom graph, and we're gonna make a mid graph so that the fastest point is in the middle. So this is how it looks. Now we're gonna go to rotation X and we're gonna add a keyframe in the middle of the first keyframes that we've placed and one right at the end. Now I'm going to change the X rotation to about this much. And again, we're gonna add a custom graph and you're gonna put the knobs just like this. Now we've created a really simple cube transition and it's really nice. You can add also zoom ins just like this, going to transform scale, adding keyframes in the beginning, and combine transitions together. Also setting the motion blur to max. Now we have a full-on 3D cube transition, really easy to make, only takes a few minutes.